Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Women right, Islam versus West. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Nabi Muhammad Sayyidil Mursaleen wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajmain. May peace be to Allah, the creator of the world. Peace and blessing be upon his prophet Muhammad, the head of all messengers, upon his family and all his companions. Today I will speak on the issue of women right. That has been the most complicated issue in the women history. The civilization of the world have adopted the two extreme position in this matter. Rome and Greece, the extreme thought their history. The ancient Greeks and peasant the West have equated them with men in every sphere of life. Will the other country, like as ancient Persia, went to other describing the Christian Europe regarded well out to Satan. The Hindus women are deprived, even a window dead body of herself, her husband. Their audience, the Islamic view were regarded women are required modern. Unlike the other and religion and civilization of the world, it offers a driven solution in this matter. It directly nature and appeal to middle path and take conduction to physically fermentation of the human society. According to Islam, women are equal partners. Men in a building a human society. They have their own right, privilege and status. They play important and equality, significant role in the development of human civilization. They must be given educational training so that they can effectively perform their duties. They have right to choose spouse enjoy their life, the inner property from their father and husband. Once she is child, her father out to ask, we have granted remain an objection to her. They have been interaction by Islam put real feminine to display to female outsider, thinker and philosopher all across the human history. They could not be given excited suitables. Some civilization granted such then arise it their modesty and self their chastity. Their audience the in relation other than Islam to animals was a human-related community and biologically and characteristic. Today the West slogans of the world as per the woman to birth is also different for Islam, but is also belief and movement and freedom, faithful and relationship. Intelligent, the Portuguese, the white nun has appreciable status, cook to arrange food. This is the only more, but and is a criminal attack. The women have been ate, calm and grave to mean. The women, a few people will support it, but it does not because for is the mean. Finally, the woman whistle them and is desperate. Actually, it is also different for is the mean. The women have been debated. May Allah give right and understanding matter. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.